Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create a website using canva.com. You know, Canva is a video and photo editing software. You can start right now. This link I will attach in description below. Please check it. Then at first, I'm going to canva.com. You need to log in here. Just put your Gmail. That's it. Then you can see this is a dashboard. Then type. Here are the lots of options. Lots of millions free and paid template you can use any. First I'm going to here task bar, then type website. You can see this is a dashboard. Then I'm going to here, then you can see here the marketing option, logo, poster, flyer, booster, and social media website. Just click website, then create a new website. Just click here. Now you need to select what type of website do you need right now. Example of coffee shop, headphone website, e-commerce website, then SaaS website, then service related website. You can choose anyone. This doesn't matter. Blog website, example of blog. I choose this one. Then I choose a template. Here are lots of template. You can choose anyone. I choose this one. Wow, this is a really good template. Wow. If I want to change wall layer and logo, template, and anything, example of Kimberly meets the world. I change the name, Mr. Kalam world. Wow, this is beautiful. Then family, you can choose any link. If you want to put it the link here, read more, just click right button, then link, put your any link, just okay. Then I'm scroll down. Now here is the mailing address. Put your mailing address, email address, phone number, anything, contact address. And if you want to add others page, just click here, then choose a page, just put here. This doesn't matter, so click for review. Wow, this is beautiful. So I want to check mobile version. Wow, this is also good. Now I'm click for publish website. Just click here. Then if you don't have a domain, just click free domain. Canva give you a free domain. Then if you have a domain, just click here. Then if you purchase a new domain, just click second option. But I don't need a domain, just I'm click for free domain. Just continue. Then you need to write a description, example of ABC example of, that is my description. This is example only. Just click for publish. Just wait few seconds. Canva create whole website for me in just few seconds. Wow, my website is ready for view. Just click view website. Wow, this is a really good and beautiful. And if you want to transfer the website and any other CMS like WordPress, this is possible. So if you want to more video about this topic, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. See you again